July is usually a warm and sunny month in the UK, making it an ideal time for planting and enjoying the fruits of your gardening labours. There are still many activities to carry out in the garden in July. Here are some options. Vegetables. Lettuce and salad greens. You can continue sowing lettuce, spinach, rocket and other salad greens in July. Successional planting will ensure a continuous supply. Carrots. Sow fast-growing carrot varieties for late summer and early autumn harvest. Beetroots. Plant beetroots for late summer and autumn harvesting. You can also enjoy the beet greens as a leafy green. Radishes. Radishes quickly mature and can still be sown for a fast harvest. Herbs. Plant basil, coriander, parsley and other herbs in pots or around the garden. Their aromatic leaves are great for summer dishes. Flowers. Annual flowers. You can plant bedding plants such as marigolds, zinnias and cosmos to provide vibrant colours in your garden. Perennials. July is an excellent time to plant perennial flowers and shrubs, especially if you choose container-grown specimens. Bulbs. Dahlias. You can continue planting dahlia tubers in July for late summer and autumn blooms. Choose from a variety of colours and shapes. Autumn planting bulbs. Begin reviewing the autumn bulb planting catalogues and secure your order before the most popular or your favourite bulbs sell out. Fruit trees and bushes. Strawberries. If you haven't planted strawberries early in the year, you can still establish them in July for a future harvest. Continue harvesting strawberries before the birds get them. Blueberries. Likewise, continue to harvest blueberries. Links to my favourite blueberry recipes are in the video description below. Gooseberries. Unripe gooseberries can be picked from June and made into jams, preserves and pie. However, to experience the fruit at its best, start harvesting from July onwards. Red and white currants. Red currants can be harvested from July onwards. Wait until the fruits are red, firm and juicy before picking. The same is true of white currants. Black currants. For fellow Ribena enthusiasts, you can start enjoying black currants from mid-July onwards. Wait 1 week after the fruits have turned blue back before picking. If you require the currants to stay fresher for longer, try to harvest the fruit on trusses rather than picking the currants individually. General garden tasks. Watering. Ensure your plants receive adequate moisture as July can be warm and dry. Water deeply and regularly, especially in the morning or evening. Note, planted up hanging baskets and containers may need watering twice or even thrice a day. Mulching. Apply mulch around plants to retain moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Pruning and deadheading. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continued blooming and prune back any overgrown plants. Pest control. Watch out for common garden pests and take appropriate measures to protect your plants. Harvesting. Continue to harvest ripe crops such as strawberries, peas, beans, and early potatoes.